Hello dear SAP friends, my name is Dennis Reis. I'm a business intelligence consultant at Deloitte and happy to present you my book on SAP Analysis for Microsoft Office. Most of the books cover the what can you do with a respective software. But if you're like me, you're also interested in the how. Okay, what you're telling me sounds nice, but how do I do it? How do I implement it in my day-to-day work or my SAP projects? So I decided to use my 10 years of experience implementing business intelligence projects to write this comprehensive book and help you learn how to use and configure SAP Analysis for Microsoft Office. Many may wonder how one person writes a 570 pages book on their own. Well, how to knit an elephant? One bite at a time. I've wrote 4 pages a day, and if you write 4 pages a day, after half a year, you will have a book. Nevertheless, it's hard, grueling work. I had to promise my wife not to write any books next year. Even the best tool is useless if you don't know how to use it. This book shows you all the practical things you need to know to be proficient. If you are a beginner, learn how to get started with workbooks. If you are more advanced, I provide information on formulas, API methods, callbacks, and more. And if you were to read only one chapter from this book, read the one that teaches you how to navigate within reports and extract the most valuable insights from your data. And once you have mastered it, teach your coworkers. Take the light and pass it on.